Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Today we are making cookies and cream cookies. Yes, you heard me right. Cookies and cream cookies is absolutely delicious. I made these cookies for my daughter's birthday, okay? And it was so good. She really loved it. So, yes, you would think that is very complicated recipe. Just look at that. It's so good. It's very simple, and I tell you, you will love it. Yes, come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? All right, come along with me. So guys, to start, I have my all-purpose flour here, okay? I'm going to add baking soda. I'm going to add salt and cornstarch. I'll put all the measurements in the description box for you, okay? And then I'll mix it really well and I'll set it aside. So this is my dry ingredients, okay? Yeah. And then the next bit is I have my cream cheese here. I mix the cream cheese nicely, okay? Yes, cream cheese. It will make it so lovely. Add my unsalted butter, okay? Yes, use unsalted butter because I've already added salt to the flour. And then you mix it so that it's well mixed. So come along with me. As you can see, I've mixed it really nicely. And then I am going to add also my white and brown sugar. Yeah, I reduced the sugar a bit because I don't like it to be too sweet, right? But you have all the measurements in the description box. Just check it out. So I mix it really well, as you can see here. Just look at the texture now. So I'm adding an egg and also vanilla extract. All right, and then I'll mix it really well. So come along with me. So let's add our dry ingredients. So I add it in batches, okay, so that I mix it. Let's fold it into the mixture, as you can see there. So the dough is set aside. I have Hersheys here, Hersheys cookies and cream, okay, chocolate. So I'm just make sure to cut them into chunks, and I'm going to add that to the dough, okay? And also I have some Oreos, as you can see here. I'm just making sure breaking them into chunks, as you can. That's the chunks, and I'm going to add them as well to the dough. So as you can see, yes, I'm adding them to the dough, and I tell you, try this. You will really love it, okay? It is so good. So guys, we finished with the dough. So I'm going to put this into the fridge for at least 30 minutes, okay, so that it will set nicely, so it'll be easier to manage. All right, so I've taken it out of the fridge, and what I'm doing is just roll it into balls and put it on my baking sheet, as you can see here. All right, so I've lined the baking sheet with parchment paper, and then you put your balls in there. Yes, very easy. All right, so I'll put that into the oven, okay, it's 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Is how big your dough ball is, all right? And then when it comes out, guys, you will love it. The rest of the dough, I put it in the freezer bag and put it in the freezer so that I can have this cookie anytime I want. Guys, it's so good. Try this, okay? Fresh cookies when you want it. So look at that. It smells amazing. It tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe. It's so good. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.